Guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, today we will discuss that how you save your messages in your Gmail account, your WhatsApp messages, in all things we discussed that how we store in your Gmail account. What are the procedures? So let's start working. Guys, first of all, you have to open your WhatsApp account. Either it's WhatsApp Business or Simple WhatsApp. You both use. So guys, once you open, you just go to the chats. When you go to the chats, there is an option chat backup. When you click on chat backup, guys, you see the various options backup. First of all, what you need to do, you just have to select the Google account in which you want to store your chats, media, audios. Like I as when I clicked that, it show me two accounts because I have logged in two accounts in my device. So it shows that and it tells me that which account you want to choose, okay, to save. So you just select that account, and then if you want to store your videos as well in your Gmail, so you just on click on this one, okay. So once you click on, so your videos will also be saved in your Gmail account. And one thing more, you need to add that backup to Google Drive. You select the various things, either you select the monthly, weekly. It shows that when you want to backup, so the better option is to select the monthly. So monthly it will store the things, okay. Monthly a backup of some GPs will come. So you have to store that ones, okay. So these are the things which you have to do, okay. That's all, dear. Thank you and take care.